Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit drop-down list in Google Sheets. So this is very simple. Just click on this arrow and then simply click on edit button. Now you can simply select the criteria or select the color of these options or delete these options if you want. So let's say I will select the red color for this option and a green for this option. So right now they are different color. I can remove value if I want. So it will be only option 1. I can allow multiple sections or go to advanced options if I want to. As you can see, I can, if the data is valid, I can show a warning or reject the input. I can change the display style and to an arrow or plain text if I want. But the chip is the pretty one, so that's why it's basic. I can also change the apply range right here. When I'm done editing my drop-down, I press done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.